Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. We like shooting just as much as anybody. So when you're at the range, you need to have a quality first aid kit close by. So in this video, we're gonna be reviewing the Maxpedition. This is their individual first aid pouch. I end up putting in my large Molly replacement kit in here and added chest seals, but we'll talk about it in just a minute. So let's do a little bit of shooting. So now the rain inside is cooled off a little bit. Let's take a little bit closer look at Maxpedition's IMP, the individual medical pouch here. As you can see here from the front, we have a nice YKK zipper here that's going to hold all of our medical supplies, small items in here so we can see them. You have a grab handle here, so this is down into a range bag or down to your backpack. You can nice and easily grab it. But you do have some Molly attachments here. So use Molly sticks that if you want to put this on the outside of your backpack or whatever you want to attach it to, it very easily attaches there. You can even run a belt through here and run it through your belt and use this on your belt line. So I put a lot of the smaller items here in the front that we can easily get to, that we know what's in there. So I'll unzip this. There again, the YKK zippers unzip nice and easy and show you what we put in there. So we put a roll of cloth medical tape. In here is a CPR shield. Now we've kind of gotten away from mouth to mouth, but if someone's choking or they're a drowning victim, they still need mouth to mouth. There are 2 pair of Nitrile Gloves. These are non-latex gloves. And then here's our smaller items. So we have some medicine in here. We have Tylenol, ibuprofen, Benadryl, and aspirin. There's some antibiotic ointments. We have some butterfly bandages, some Band-Aids, some alcohol wipes, and then some bite and sting pads. Just kind of a little boo-boo kit here for you. The IMP unzips, opens up nice and wide here, so I like that. Now I did add some chest seals here. Like I said, this is our large Molly kit, but I added some chest seals here because we are talking about a range kit and the abdominal chest area is a large target, so go ahead and put some chest seals. You can very easily add those in here. There's an Israeli pressure bandage here, and we have a cat tourniquet. Now ideally, if I were going to use this as my kit, this is a caveat, I would go ahead and open this up. That way you don't have to worry about trying to get this plastic open while you're trying to apply it and someone has a life-threatening bleed. And in my kit, I run the Israeli out of the packaging too. There's a package here. Once you open this up, there's another package inside of it. So I open up both of these if this was really going to be my kit. Just as a little caveat. Run an MPA with some lube there. Over here, you've got the mesh pocket here, which you can see through, which is still nice so you know what's inside there. We put 2 rolls of cling, 2 triangle bandages. You can use this for wound packing if you needed to, or you just regular put some gauze on, apply it. You have triangle bandages, someone like a fracture, and you need sling made out of this. We have that there. Over here, we have another mesh pocket that you can see through. You can see which items are inside. 2 5x9s, 5 4x4s. I really like the fact that you can see inside of here what's in there. You know, if this was not able to be seen, you wouldn't know which side you had your packaging stuff in there. So I like the fact that you can see inside these pouches. And the Teflon coating they use on this makes it water resistant. So it's not waterproof, but it is water resistant for you. So the Teflon coating on there is going to be able to hold up nice and well to moisture to keep your supplies nice and clean and dry. You can see how the water just beads off and runs off of it. Now you can see the difference here. The grab handle doesn't have the Teflon coating and it absorbs the water. this material here that matters is completely beating up and letting the water run off. I'm just going to stay nice and dry here. So the overall size of the pouch is 8 inches by 6 inches by 2.5 inches. And it weighs 7.6 ounces empty. So we knew our first aid kit has potential to get dirty here and muddy, maybe even bloody. So if we're going to clean this, use a damp cloth. They don't recommend putting this in the washing machine, and they don't recommend using bleach to clean it. Like I mentioned in the video, we put our large molly kit inside this pouch here. So if you're looking for just the medical supplies we use, you can go to medicalgearoutfitters.com, and then we have replacement packages. We have small and large kits. So our large molly kit is this one, and you can buy just the medical supplies. So thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder, maybe the right gear and the right training.
You want to give me a target to shoot at, or just aiming at the big hill?
There's a steel.
Oh, we're going to shoot steel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You can put this at the end of the bloopers anyway. They've been fussing about you saying that with that 300 blackout. They want to see how good of a shot you were.
Oh, so we need some targets next time?
We need some targets, so you need to buy your rubber dummy.
I do all right.
We're going to shoot steel though.
Okay.
All right. Hey, let me get this. I'll do it this way. So with the Teflon coating, this is going to hold up against dirt, grime, and water for you. So if your supplies get wet, this is going to protect them. Not when you have the zipper open. Gah! Let's try that again. Dadgummits.